Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to recover recently deleted reels on Instagram. If you've deleted a reel but now want to bring it back, this step-by-step guide will help you. Let's dive in. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. Select your activity from the menu. Scroll down and tap on Recently Deleted. In the Recently Deleted section, find your deleted reel. Check the timer at the bottom left of the reel thumbnail. It shows how many days are left before the reel is permanently deleted. Instagram keeps deleted content for 30 days. Tap on the reel you want to recover. Tap three dots at the right. Select Restore and confirm your choice. The reel will be restored to your profile and made visible to everyone. Optional, save or record the reel. If you don't want to republish the reel but still want to keep it, consider watching it and taking a screen recording, downloading or screenshotting any content you need to from the reel. And that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.